Hello, I'm Manuel Colorado. I'm a Code Institute graduate. The main reasons why I chose Code Institute from all the options I had, it's they gave me the flexibility. They also provide me with a flexible schedule, the flexibility to do it online without having to attend night classes. I think that the whole package is what attracted me the most. I didn't have a chance to go to university, and it was when I was here with my wife and already 2 kids that she said, look, it's now or never, because as they grow up, you won't have that much time as you do now. I think I have developed professionally, and that's something I actually learned from the program, is being faced with a tough challenge and overcome it. I get contact a lot for different job roles since I added the certification to my LinkedIn profile. After I started working, I started connecting all the pieces from the course. My next step, I think that eventually I will be able to go back to my childhood dream and become video game developer, but that's for the future.